You always test the water up here because it's going to feel warmer up here than down here where you're desensitized. And you just pick up your little kitty. And looky there, you just hold her head up. She's complaining, but she's good. See, and then you just grab the neck and pull it back and get underneath a little bit. Uh-huh. It's okay. Oh! You're okay. Yeah. I'll get you some ivory soap. Oh my goodness. Get it right up around the neck. Okay. You get some more. I don't do the face and the head. Okay. Come on. Do your tail and your backside. See? She's complaining, but she's easy to handle. Yeah. Oh! And now we're going to rinse. And check the water again. Hey! Yeah. Hey! Let's rinse. Goodness. Now you just swirl them in a towel. Just kind of get the excess water. You just get your towel. Yeah. And just kind of wrap the arms down. And there you're done. Okay.